And today we're gonna play Fashion Famous on Roblox. Actually, no, we're not playing Fashion Famous because look, they won't let me play it on here for some reason. Fashion Famous, see? Not players. Guys, don't look at me. I know I'm silly.
Whoa.
It won't let me play Fashion Fall.
That's a lot of play.
No, a lot of them are fake Fashion Famouses. Hopefully this is the real one.
Yeah, I know that's the one. See? Okay, go play
Okay,
Fashion Famous.
So we're gonna play Fashion Famous.
And we're
Sorry,
playing
I said
together.
no, guys. Yeah, we're playing it together. So like we'll take turns.
Ashwin, you're naked.
I know. We'll take turns.
Ooh, where's the volume? Where's the volume? I want to hear.
We'll take turns. No, because they had to hear us. So we'll take turns. We'll take turns doing the round.
When I'm old. Me when I'm old.
Okay,
me when I'm old.
but okay, we're gonna take turns doing round. So it's my turn.
I know
first.
the best costume for me. I know. I've done this one.
This is
I've
my
done this
turn.
contest.
This is my turn. And let
Now
me
you better
talk.
win.
Please just let me talk.
No,
So-
there's like a great.
Let me talk. So we're gonna take turns. Doing a round. So, let's do my hair. You can't tell me what to do.
You're old.
Well, you can help me some. Like I can help you whenever you're it. I can. Just me.
We're out anymore. It's just
8 seconds.
baby. Wait. Perfect. Let's run it next though. Okay, so sure. Alright,
So,
let's
like,
this back. That's me. Wait.
I think
Okay, good. I had the living
world. Let's see.
No, I can do it. And just carry to start.
I mean,
The I was right back. No, wait. The yellow.
go get that guy. New York. In one round. Ew. In here.
No.
And that's where I got less up. Did you think you were not gonna get it?
Go.
Did you think you were not gonna get it?
No. But that was that when I was sitting in this, it wasn't really round, so you still were sitting in that one. So next, you'll sit in there next. Don't kick me in the face. Okay, please don't kick me in the face because my neck is really sore because I got hit with a soccer ball. Like really hard.
We're gonna play. Don't worry, but I just wanted to say bye, guys. I'm joking. I'm not gonna say bye to you. Bye.